The member for Kilifi North.
The Climate Change Amendment Bill 2023, which is expected to be signed into law before the summit, will be a major shot in the arm for President William Ruto, who is holding the inaugural conference to attract 30,000 delegates in his capacity as the chair of the African Presidents' Caucus on Climate Change.
The last 7-8 years has taught us a very difficult lesson, all of us inhabitants of the world, and people have realized that if we don't take this conversation seriously, then we may not even have a planet to live on.
The bill seeks to introduce carbon trading, which supports the country to comply with the Paris Agreement that Kenya ratified and became a party to in December 2016. A carbon credit is created when the equivalent of 1 metric ton of carbon dioxide is prevented from entering the atmosphere.
Sisi kama Waafrika sasa hatutakaa kuomba. Sisi tuko na rasilimali, wale ambao wanachafua walipie zile efforts ambazo tunaweka kusafisha hii rasilimali, kusafisha hii anga ambao wale washaharibu.
Carbon market is the mechanism that enables and allows public and private entities to transfer and transact emission reduction units, mitigation outcomes, or offsets generated through carbon initiatives, programs and projects subject to compliance with the national and international law.
Even as we grow those trees, then we encourage sections of this country, counties in this country, to formally enter in the carbon market.
Our own target as a country is to have a reduction of 32% by the year 2030. Takes a lot of money. In fact, Mr. Speaker, I know that our goal as a country is going to set us off $62 billion. And knowing where we are as a nation economically, I don't think we have that kind of money. And perhaps, Mr. Speaker, not perhaps actually, rather, that is why we have this bill that is before us today.
Article 6 of the Paris Agreement encourages parties to raise their mitigation ambitions through carbon markets and non-markets approaches.
We are actually in a race against time, in the eyes of the world, to tick boxes, because that's what we are doing. Now we have visitors coming in a few days. We have to be seen to belong, so we have to pass this bill.
Philip Murutu, K24, Nairobi.